Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sleep mode on your Mac. If you want your Mac to stay active without going into sleep mode, this guide will help you adjust the settings easily. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Alternatively, you can open System Settings by clicking on its icon in your dock. Once the System Settings window opens, scroll down on the left-hand side menu until you find the option labeled Lock Screen. Click on it. Now you'll see all the options related to your Mac's lock screen and inactivity settings. Let's go through them one by one. Start Screen Saver when inactive. This setting determines how long your Mac waits before starting the screensaver. In my case, it's set to 20 minutes. To disable the screensaver, click the drop-down menu next to this option and select Never. This ensures that your screensaver won't activate when your Mac is inactive. Turn display off on battery when inactive. This setting controls how long your MacBook's display stays on when running on battery power. Currently, mine is set to turn off after 2 minutes. To prevent the display from turning off, select Never from the drop-down menu. You'll see a warning that says, "Your Mac may use more energy with these settings." Just click OK to confirm. Turn display off on power adapter. When inactive. This option applies when your Mac is plugged into a power adapter. Again, mine is set to turn off after 10 minutes, but I can change it to Never to keep the display active indefinitely. After setting all the options to Never, your Mac will no longer go into sleep mode. This means your screen will stay active, whether on battery power or plugged in, and the screensaver won't start automatically. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the auto sleep mode on your Mac operating system. This can be helpful if you're working on something that requires the screen to stay on continuously. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.